Hello! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Next, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the connectivity option and tap on it. Here, find the Wi-Fi option and select it. Now, scroll down, find the option called Save Networks. And here you have the list of networks your watch is connected to, or you have the saved, basically saved. So if you're in the range for that network, the watch will automatically connect to it. And once you find the network you want to disconnect from, tap on it, then tap on Forget, and tap on the check mark to confirm. And the watch will be disconnected from that network. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.